everybody, welcome to YouTube channel Unnatural Biology. In the previous video we did the floral formula. What is floral formula? Symbolic representation of the various parts of the flower is called as the floral formula. If the flower is actinomorphic, it will be drawn like this. If it is zygomorphic, it will this symbol will represent the zygomorphic flower. If it is bisexual, this symbol will represent the bisexual flower. It is unisexual female flower, it will be represented by this symbol. If it is unisexual male flower, it will be represented by this symbol. And then K represents the calyx, that is sepals. C represents the corolla, that is staple. A represents the androecium, that is stamens. G represents the gynoecium, that is pistils. Then the number of their parts, that is if the calyx sepals are 5, they are written at the foot of the K5. Similarly, if the petals are 5, it will be written as C5. If androecium are 5, they will be written as A5. If gynoecium is 2, it will be written as G2. So if they are fused, the condition is gamopetalous or gamosepalous. These will be written in the brackets. So if the stamens arise, their base is fused with the petals, the line will be drawn on the, from A to C, above from A to C. In some cases, sepals and petals, they are represented by the single type of word, that is, they are called as the perianth, tepals. Then the formula will be written as P. It will be written as P. So now we come to floral diagram. What is floral diagram? Diagrammatic representation of the various whorls of the plant is called as the floral diagram. So you see these diagrams, they are the whorls, they are drawn in sequence. Outermost whorl is of sepals, that is calyx. These green colored whorl which I have drawn, that represents the sepals. If they are united, their number is drawn as such. As in case of Solnaceae, there are 5 sepals are there, and they are united. So their ends, they are united with each other. The condition is gamosepalous. Petals are also 5, and they are these purple color I have drawn. These are petals. Their ends are joined so that to show the gamopetalous condition. And androeciums are also 5. Stamens are also 5. A5 is written, but they are free. They are not written in brackets. They are drawn from the petals so that condition is epipetalous. And gynoecium in the center, it is bicarpal, syncarpus, and it is bilocular ovary in case of Solnaceae. Now we come to the family Fabaceae. Fabaceae is also called as Papilionidae, and it is also family of Leguminosae. In this case, what happens? 5 sepals are there, and I have drawn these green color 5 sepals. These sepals, their ends are joined so that to show their united condition, the condition is gamosepalous. Next word is of petals, that is corolla. 5 petals are there. In this case, the petals, they are of different shape. One large petal is called as the standard. It encloses 2 another petals which are called as the keel. Keel encloses another 2 petals which are called as the carina. This carina, it is fused. So it will be written as 1 plus 2 plus 2. 2 in the within bracket. So this represents the corolla. 10 stamens are there in case of family Fabaceae. 9 are fused to form a single group. Another is lying in one. So they are lying in 2 groups. So it will be written as 9 and 1. 9 fused plus 1. And gynoecium is monocarpellary. Single ovule is present. It is the diagram of family Papilionaceae, or you can say Fabaceae. Flower is zygomorphic. It can be, because of these petals, it is zygomorphic, and position of androecium, it is zygomorphic. It can be cut into 2 equal halves, but through single plane only. So the flower is zygomorphic. Both endoecium and gynoecium are present. Flower is bisexual. This is all about the family Fabaceae. Example is switch pea. Then we come to the family Liliaceae. It is monogod family. In this case, the sepals and petals, they are not different. They are not separate. They are represented by same type of words, and those are called as the tepals. Those are called as the tepals. Flowers are actinomorphic. So these tepals, they are drawn like three. They are present two whorl, three outer whorl and three inner whorl. These petals, their ends are also joined because they are fused with each other. So condition is gamotepalous, and then stamens, they arise from the petals. 3 plus 3 from each petals. 6 stamens are there. They arise from the the condition is they arise from the tepals. Condition is epiphyllous. Ovaries, 3 pistils are present. Their gynoecium is then syncarpus. You can say it is tricarpally syncarpus. So condition is shown here, and it is trilocular and bears the ovules. This is all about family Liliaceae. Anthocean family Liliaceae, tepals are there in 2 rows, 3 and 3, and stamens are rising from the tepals. The condition is epiphyllous, and ovary is trilocular and tricarpally syncarpus. This is all about family Liliaceae. I think you might have the example, you can say lily flower, the onion, garlic, these are all belong to family Liliaceae. So this is all about floral diagram. I hope you might have followed it. Have a good day. Enjoy. Okay.